Welcome. We are time anti-time, many faces, one consciousness. Satnam.
Stepping onto the Ascended Master Healing Platform.
In this unit, let's journey to a place of deep healing with the guidance of the Ascended Masters, wise, loving beings who support humanity's spiritual growth.
Before going to sleep each night, you can visit the Ascended Master Healing Platform so that your multidimensional self can receive healing during the rest state.
This sacred gathering of enlightened beings can offer support with any health lesson, imbalance, or blockage, whether minor or major, that your multidimensional self may be encountering.
Even if you feel perfectly healthy, you are encouraged to expand your request, inviting these Ascended Masters to bring their healing energy to your physical, etheric, astral, causal, mental, buddhic, atmic, logoic, and monadic, and other bodies as well.
When you perform this invocation, envision or sense a council of Ascended Masters assembling around you. Feel their light and energy.
They focus their collective wisdom, light, and energetic healing intentions on you, maintaining this effort throughout the night as you rest.
For optimal benefit, specifically ask them to hold this healing focus until you wake in the morning, allowing deep restoration to occur while you sleep.
To use this gift of healing, begin by closing your eyes and taking a few calming breaths. Try using the axiotonal alignment and spiritual integration and alignment.
Call forth or request the Ascended Master Healing Platform and envision a beautiful, luminous platform appearing before you, floating in a serene celestial space. This is the Ascended Master Healing Platform.
Step onto the platform in your mind's eye. As you do, you should see that you're joined by loving Ascended Master brothers and sisters, beings like Jesus, Buddha, Quan Yin, or whomever you feel drawn to. They offer you healing, wisdom, and unconditional love.
Feel waves of healing energy flowing through your body, mind, and spirit. If there's anything you wish to heal with your multidimensional self, imbalance, pain, emotional wounds, or limiting beliefs, offer it up to the Masters now. Imagine their light dissolving any heaviness, replacing it with peace, healing, and vitality.
Rest here as long as you like, receiving their blessings. When you feel ready, thank the Masters, step off the platform, and return to your day. You should feel renewed and uplifted.
In closing, the Ascended Master Healing Platform and the Ascended Masters are there to help you as an Ascended Master, to help you be of service. Use it to heal, uplift, and balance your multidimensional self.
We are happy that you have learned how to use the Ascended Master Healing Platform, an invaluable technology for healing. We wish you love, light, and success. Satnam.